Hi, good morning, one and all, and welcome to RT classes CA and CMA Guru. And happy Diwali to all my CA and CMA students community. And I hope so. This particular Diwali may bring all your concerned dreams come true. And who are waiting for their results, whether you are a CA foundation student or whether you are a CA inter student, and who are preparing for their CMA exams for upcoming December. For those people, all the best. And who are waiting for the result, for them, so advance congratulations and all the best. And today our discussion part is regarding service costing point of view, and it is useful for both the CA and CMA inter students. And these kind of questions are very rare, and you can't find out these kind of questions videos also. And I hope so this particular video will make you so clear about the particular concept. So you may be listen about service costing point of view, passengers point of view, and weight point of view, airlines point of view, school point of view, IT sector point of view, toll plaza point of view, and all these things. But this concept is belongs to distance only. But we are calculating about liters point of view. You may be aware of passenger kilometers. You may be aware of ton kilometers. You may be aware of room days, patient days, and all these things. But this concept is a little different, and I hope so after this particular session you may be very much confident about service costing also. These are all very rare questions in the examination pattern, but who are appearing for January attempt point of view, we are expecting that this is just our guessing only. The paper will be little different relating to cost accounting. So those kind of situations, ICA will prefer these kind of questions in the examination to test concerned student level of knowledge and patience, their understanding skills towards the question point of view. That's the reason I want to bring these kind of questions. Just wanted to put in front of you, and I hope so you enjoy this particular session, and you may be learn conceptually also about service costing very clearly. Let's start without dealing much. So Gopal Milk Cooperative Society collects raw material from farmers of Ramgarh, Pratapgarh and Devgarh panchayats, and Ramgarh, Pratapgarh, Devgarh panchayats, and processes these milks to make various dairy products. So GMCS has its own vehicles to collect and bring milk to the processing plant. Vehicles are parked in the GMCS garage situated within a plant compound. The following are the some information related with the vehicles. How many number of vehicles they are assigning? They are providing Ramgarh 4, Pratapgarh 3 and Devgarh 5 vehicles they are assigning. Number of trips per day 3, 2, 2. The one way distance. Whenever they are giving one way, if they are giving about trip, you need to consider that is a round trip. Upward journey and return journey both should be considered. So toll tax paid per month also given except Devgarh. All the 5 vehicles assigned to Devgarh Panchayati were purchased 5 years back at a cost of 9,25,000 each. The 4 vehicles assigned to Ramgarh Panchayati were purchased 2 years back at a cost of 11,02,000 each, and the remaining vehicles assigned to Pratapgarh were purchased last year at a cost of 13,12,000 itself. But this problem point of view, even depreciation calculation also little different. So let's concentrate. With the purchase of each vehicle, a 2 years free servicing warranty was provided. So if you purchased this year and next year, 2 years you are getting service warranty. A vehicles give 10 kilometers mileage in the first 2 years of purchase, 8 kilometers in the next 2 years of purchase, 6 kilometers per liter afterwards. That means If let's take example Devgar point of view, vehicles purchased 5 years back, so that means first 2 years it will give you a mileage of per liter 10 kilometers. Next 2 years, that means third and fourth year, it will give you a mileage of 8 kilometers. From fifth year onwards until how many years you will use, to that extent it will give mileage of 6 kilometers per liter. That is the point they provided. The vehicles are subject to depreciation 10% per annum straight line basis irrespective of usage. A vehicle has a capacity to carry 25,000 liters of milk, but an average only 75% of total capacity is utilized. So following expenditure is related to with the vehicles: salary of driver, salary of cleaner, allocated garage parking fee 1350 per vehicle per month, servicing cost 3000 for every complete of 5000 kilometers run. That means not a part of thereof. That is a word also important here. Diesel cost also, in case if they mentioned part thereof, that means 0 to 5000 kilometers, whatever the distance it will travel, we will incur 3000 rupees service cost. Whenever they are not using the word part thereof, that means if you done with exactly 5000 kilometers, then only your service cost will be 3000 rupees. From the above information, you are required to calculate total operating cost per month per each vehicle. Take 30 days for the month. Vehicles operating cost per liter of milk they are asking. First we'll do working notes, then based on that step by step we'll move on. So now let's start with first step, distance covered. First go with Ramgarh point of view. How many vehicles assigned? 4 vehicles and 3 trips, and why I am multiplying with 2 distance point of view they provided one way. So and distance how much they said? 24 kilometers, and each month they said take 30 days itself. So we are calculating 1 month point of view all these calculations. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 24 into 30, that is equal to 17,280 kilometers traveled. Next Anna Pratapgarh. How many vehicles assigned? Anna 3 vehicles. They are traveling with 2 trips a day, 34 kilometers. So distance one way, that's the reason, into 34 kilometers into 30 days. 3 into 2 into 2 into 34 into 30. 12,240 kilometers traveled. Last one Devgar. 5 vehicles assigned, 2 trips into 2, distance 16 kilometers into 30 days. 9,600 kilometers. This is what Nana distance covered. So first point done. Whenever we calculated distance, always I will communicate immediately calculate diesel or petrol cost. Seema. Cost of okay, Sira. Ramgarh point of view. Now we traveled total 17,280 kilometers. Okay, Ramgarh purchased how many years back? Four vehicles purchased 2 years back. So that means they are running in third year. Then they will give mileage of only 8 kilometers after 2 years onwards. So divided by 8 kilometers, then you will get a total diesel required. Multiply with what is the diesel cost per liter given in the question? 58 rupees. So into 58. 17,280 divided by 8 into 58. So that is equal to 1,25,280 rupees for Ramgarh point of view. Next, Pratapgarh. We travelled a total distance of 12,240 divided by. So recently only they provided SEMA. Pratap were purchased last year only. So within 2 years, so they will give a mileage of 10 kilometers into diesel cost per liter 58. So 12,240 divided by 10 kilometers into 58. That is equal to 70,992 rupees. Okay, last month Devgarh. So distance is 9,600 kilometers. That was purchased 5 years back. So first 2 years 10 kilometers mileage, next 2 years 8 kilometers. So now they are covered under 6 kilometers point of view. So 6 kilometers into 58 rupees. So that is equal to 92,800 rupees. 92,800 rupees. Okay, ma, we are done. Immediately, better to find out total volume of milk carried. Third step, Nana. Total volume of milk. First one. Ramgarh point of view. They are traveling with 25,000 liters, but as an average of 70% capacity only. Totally 4 vehicles are traveling and they are doing 3 trips. Multiply with 30 days. But don't multiply with 2 round trip. Whenever you are traveling from here to there only you can transport with milk. So return you will come empty. That's the reason only we are not multiply with 2 here. So 25,000 liters into 70% into 4 into 3 trips into 30 days. That is equal to 63 lakhs liters for Ramgarh. Next ma. Pratapgarh. 25,000 liters into 70% into 3 vehicles into 2 trips into 30 days. Then you will get 0.732 into 30. So 31,50,000 liters. Next month Devgarh. 25,000 liters capacity of 70%, total vehicles assigned 5 into 2 trips into 30 days, that is equal to 52,50,000 liters. Yeah, this is my total volume of milk what we carried. Next, immediately fourth working part, go with servicing cost. Then we'll calculate depreciation also. Servicing cost point of view. First, Ramgarh, total distance travelled how many? 17,280 kilometers divided by, for every 5,000 kilometers only servicing required. So fourth 5,000 kilometers is not done. So you can take only number of services required equal to 3 into each servicing point of view. You can go with 3,000, totally 9,000 rupees. Now why we are going with like this? Once read this point one more time. So free with the vehicle purchase of each vehicle, a 2 years free servicing warranty is provided. This is purchased 5 years back, so they are not covered under warranty period. Same way, even Ramgarh also purchased, they are also purchased 2 years back. This is third year, so for them also that was not covered. Only Pratapgarh point of view only service warranty is there, so you don't want to pay any service cost in related to Pratapgarh. Next one, Devgarh, total distance travelled 9,600 kilometers divided by 5,000 kilometers. That means you will get second one not yet done. So only one servicing is required. So 1 into 3,000 rupees, that is equal to 3,000. This is servicing cost. So when it comes to Pratapgarh, that is purchased 1 year back only. That's the reason they travelled anyway 12,240 kilometers divided by 5,000 kilometers. You require number of services 2 into 3,000, that is equal to 6,000 normally. But covered under service warranty period, so you don't want to pay anything for service costing point of view. Okay na sir? I hope so you understand. First two vehicles are, one is 5 years back, another one is 2 years back. For them service warranty is not applicable. That's the reason service cost we are computing. When it comes to Pratapgarh, they purchased last year only, so they are under service warranty, so they don't want to pay any amount of cost for service cost point of view. And finally our last calculation, fourth one, distance fifth one, no? This is about depreciation calculation. Regarding what, Nana? Depreciation calculation. So calculation of depreciation. They said irrespective of your usage, irrespective of your usage, you are supposed to charge 10% depreciation under straight line basis per annum. So Ramgar, how many vehicles you have with you? 4 vehicles. Each vehicle is cost 11 lakh 2000. So on that you will apply 10% depreciation, and we are calculating per month, so divided by 12 months. 4 into 11 lakh 2000 into 10% divided by 12. Yeah, that is 36,733 rupees is the depreciation cost. Then go with Pratapkar. How many vehicles, Nana? Pratapkar? 3 vehicles. Each vehicle costs how much given? 13 lakh 12,000. Irrespective of usage, 10% straight away, but we required 12 months point of view. 36 into 10 divided by 12, that is equal to 32,800 rupees. Okay, na? I hope so you are clear with the depreciation calculation as well as well. And one more is there, Devagar. 5 vehicles into each vehicle cost 9,25,000 into 10% divided by 12 months, that is equal to 38,542 rupees is the calculation of depreciation. Sir, one more time see, if you check with the question, this is what vehicles cost for Devgar. This is what Ramgar. This is what Pratapkar. Okay. Free service warranty is provided only 2 years of purchase. Okay. Same way, 10 kilometers mileage in the first 2 years, 8 kilometers purchase in the next 2 years, 6 kilometers afterwards. What is the rate of depreciation? 10% per annum year on straight line basis itself. Okay. So this is the way we calculated our depreciation and servicing cost. First 2 years only under service warranty, then you are not supposed to pay service cost. That's the reason only Pratapgar purchased last year only, so that is covered under warranty, so they don't want to pay any service cost. Remaining 2 only subject to pay service cost, that too exactly after for every 5,000 kilometers, not part thereof what was used. Okay. So now you are ready with all your working notes. Now you are able to calculate first bit what they are asking. Let's see, Nana. Total operating cost per month of each vehicle they are asking. Yeah. And anyway you have salary to cleaner, allocated to service cost to, and all these things. Okay. Now put the heading. Calculation of operating cost per month for each vehicle. What is the calculation of operating cost per month for each vehicle itself? So particulars Ramgar, Pratapkar, Devgar. Yeah, first start with standing charges. Write on first salary to driver. 4 vehicles are there. First into 18,000. So that is equal to 72,000. Pratapgar, only you have Nana 3 drivers. Sir, how you know 3 drivers? 3 vehicles na, that's why ma. So 54,000. Devagar, you have 5. So 5 into 18,000, that is equal to 19,000. This is regarding what salary to driver. Next ma, salary to cleaner. So what they mentioned, once see. A cleaner for each vehicle, totally 11,000 per month. Each vehicle we required 1 cleaner. So 4 into 11,000, 44,000. 3 into 11,000, 33,000. 5 into 11,000, 55,000. Okay. Next month. Garage parking. What they said, per vehicle 1350 per month. Correct? So 1350 per month per vehicle. 4 into 1350, 3 into 1350, 5 into 1350. Yeah, Nana? So 4 into 1350, you will get 5,400. 4050 6750. And don't forget to write depreciation. Now only we calculated 36,733. Next month 32,800. Next 38,542. Any more are there standing charges? Total tax paid per month also given. Toll tax. That is directly given per month. 2850, 3020, nothing. One lakh 60,983. 1,26,870. 1,90,292. This is what Nana total standing charges. Now go with the running charges. Running charges only you have to. One is diesel cost, second one is service cost. Diesel cost already calculated 1,25,280, 79,92, 92,800. So 1,25,280, 70,992, 92,800. Service cost 9,000. Here nil. Here 3,000. One lakh 34,280, 70,992, 95,800. If you add both the things now, you will get total A plus B. 2,95,263. 1,97,000. 862. 2,86,092 rupees. You must understand that this is about total cost in related to operating one vehicle point of view. Each vehicle point of view. What is the second bit they are asking on? Per liter of milk. If you add total, you will get total operating cost. No? They are asking operating cost for each vehicle. No? Sorry sir, 1 minute. So now operating cost per vehicle. How much? 2,95,263 divided by 4 vehicles. That is equal to 73,815.75. 1,97,862 divided by 3. You are getting 65,954. 2,86,092 divided by 5 vehicles. 57,218.4. This is cost of vehicle for each. So now if you add all the three more, total operating cost you will get 2,95,263 plus 1,97,862 plus 2,86,092. 7,79,217. Second bit point of view ma, total operating cost equal to 7,79,217. Total milk carried we calculated ma. Yeah, these three add 63 lakhs plus 31 lakh 50,000 plus 52 lakh 50,000. So total ma 1 crore 47 lakh liters. 1 crore 47 lakh liters. Then what they are asking? Operating cost per liter milk equal to 7,79,217 divided by 1 crore 47 lakhs. 0.053. That is the operating cost per milk point of view, per liter of milk point of view. I think so you understand why this question is completely different. If you check with depreciation calculation, we never did like this. And even liters point of view also, I hope so you didn't solve any problem based on that. This is the way you are supposed to calculate these kind of different problems. If you understand this question, working notes is playing very important role. Yeah, I hope so you enjoy the session And one more time, happy Diwali to one and all, and be safe and healthy in related to your health point of view. At the same time, enjoy the particular festival with all your loved ones. And let's start who are doing preparation. So just take one day break and continue your preparation part for the next day onwards. And I hope so you are in the par with your preparation part regarding the concerned subjects like cost accounting, management accounting, and auditing. If you have any concerns, even if you are a foundation student regarding foundation accounts point of view, if you have any queries also, try to ping me. Then I will try to make particular related concept point of view one video and I will share with you. I hope so you're all enjoying the session, and please like our channel RT Classes CA and CMA Guru. Please subscribe, please like the videos and share the concerned people who are needing. Bye ma, have a nice day.